Hello, students, and today we are here, and again we are going to understand that the future perfect tense. In that future perfect tense, we already discussed the perfect tense and the continuous future for continuous tense and simple future tense. So, with the structures, not only this, and we already discussed the present tense, four tenses with the structure, and past tense also we discussed. If you wanted to see and if you wanted to understand what is tense, so please go and check my YouTube channel Jnana Bhumi Patashala, and I will welcome again everyone. Welcome to all, and I will discuss the today's topic, that is future perfect tense. Ready? And here the future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. This is the last tense in the future tense, and in that we have some structures. Before only I mentioned that the structures the very important. If we understand this one, according to this we have to go with the sentences, right? This is only important. And here we have a subject plus will have been. Okay, so will have we already used in the perfect tense, but here we have to add another one, that is been, right? Next we have a verb and ing form, and also what we had, objectives we have, right? So objectives means whatever the sentences wanted, that sentences we can enlarge how much we wanted. Okay, expanding sentence, that is what the objectives. Okay, so this is all. We have a structure, right? Then we are going to that affirmative sentence. Okay, affirmative sentences means what? So here we have a positive sentences, we can call that positive sentences. The verb, the whatever the structure is there, that structures we are using here in the affirmative sentence. Okay, so here he will have been eating, right? So we are going with the all the sentences. Here we have a negative sentences, that already we knows that all tenses we learnt like this only. So here negative sentences we are adding not, and also in the interrogative sentences we are going with the question mark. Okay, what is that? Questioning the whatever the information we heard in the affirmative and the negative sentence, right? So let us go with the sentences. Here we have a, he will have been eating, he will have been eating, and he will not. Okay, this is very important. He will not have been eating, right? He will not have been eating. And will he have been eating, right? So here what it changed, the only the things that we have changed, that auxiliary verb and the pronoun, that only we are going to be interchanged, right? So that going to be a questions. Then so we are going to, she will have been meeting, she will have been meeting, she will not have been meeting, right? And she will have been aitala, that we are going to, will she have been, right? ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, will she have been, like that. It will have been cutting, right? It will have been cutting. And it will, it will have been cutting, and it will not have been cutting. And will it have been cutting, will it have been cutting, that's a question, right? We will have been working, we will have been working here, right? So we will not have been working, ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ work ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, right? In the future we are telling. And the will we have been working, right? Will we have been working, right? ಮುಂದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ, right? ಆ ತರದೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ? They will have been waiting, have been waiting. And they will not have been waiting, they will not have been waiting. And will they have been waiting, will they have been waiting, like, okay na. We, you will have been staying, okay, you will have been staying. Okay, so future ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಜಾಬ್ ಆದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಯಿಂಗ್, ರೈಟ್? ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಯಿಂಗ್, ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್, ರೈಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್, ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳುದು, ರೈಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ವಾಟ್, ದ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್, okay, it may be continue in the future, that we are going to learn in this tenses. I hope you understand. So guys, learn the things that we already discussed, the present, past and future. And in that I have given all the structures, right? I have given structures in the present tense, present tense, present perfect tense, perfect continuous tense. Like that I have given the structures and the sentences. In that sentences I have given the negative sentences, interrogative sentences and affirmative sentences. So why we have given in the one chart? Because of your better learning. So here you have to understand the tenses like that only. If you are not going to understand, you will not understand the spoken or else the English. English is a basic English is based on the tenses only. So if you know the tenses, you will speak better. So that is what we are going to try, and in the future videos we are coming with the better things that will help you in your spoken English. So like model verbs we will come, and question tags we will come, and there are many things. We have vocabularies, most useful vocabularies that in the certain situations, like the certain things we are getting from the these spoken English, that better English speaking course. So that all we are going to go, and so please stay tuned, and stay in our channel, and subscribe our channel. So like, share and comment, and this is all for from the our class. So thank you, bye bye.